Hi, today we will learn Dutch or Netherlands about the words, vocabulary, words we find in or on or surrounding, also surrounding head, shoulder. Let's start it. Hoofd, head, gezicht, face, huid, skin, and we will go to this area first. Pony, bangs, rose, dandruff, acne, voorhoofd, forehead, bril, glasses. We will go here. Paarden, start, ponytail, zonnebril, sunglasses, oog, eye, ogen, eyes, oor, ear, oren, ears, ooglid, eyelid, oogleden, eyelids. Sorry, I make mistake here because when you have to say eyelid is ooglid, but if it's more than one or many or more eyelids is oogleden. Oogleden. I will just fix it so it becomes one single word. Yeah. Wang, cheek, wangen, cheeks. May-eater, blackhead. If more than one, blackheads, may-eaters. Here, for brain, you can say it in 3 words. Which one you like more? Which one you prefer the most? Hersenen, hersens, brain. Jawline, kaaklijn. Mond, mouth. Kaak, jaw. We have also 2 words for neck, which are neck or hals. For hair, we have haar, hairs, haren. Now, here, false or fake eyelash, or in this case, eyelashes. Because if eyelash, you put the, I will just put here in bracket or so. false or fake eyelash, false whimper. But if false or fake eyelashes, false whimpers. False, false, false. With strong V, V. Eyebrow, wank brow. Eyebrows, wank brown. In English, sometimes we have two words being written together, attached, it becomes one word, and sometimes also come in two words, but mostly in Dutch words, they put it together, it becomes one word. So mostly there's no space in between, it becomes one word. Whimper, eyelash. Whimpers, eyelashes. Nose hole, neusgat. Nose holes, neusgaten. We can see here, we have space here in English, but in Dutch, no space. It becomes one word. Pimple is puist. Pimples, puisten. If the pimple's size is small, or little or tiny, we can say it with puistje, puistje, puistje. If you have more than one little or small or tiny pimples, puistjes, puistje, puistjes, puistjes, puistje, puistjes. Puistje, puistjes. Post. Nose, neus. Nose hair, neus haar, one word. Nose hairs, neus haren, also one word. Lip, lip, lips, lippen. Kin, chin, kin. Ear hole or gat. Ear holes or gatten. Or gatten. Ear canal, gehoorgang. Ear canals, gehoorgangen. Shoulder, schouder. Shoulders, schouders. We have mustache, which is snore, but for animal, for whisker, we say it with snore haar, snore haar. Mustache is snore. Whisker is snorhar, snorhar, snorhar. Whiskers, the har, it becomes same with this one, snorharen. Har is for hair, haren is for hairs. That's why this is for one, more than one. Whiskers, snorharen. Also one word, there's no space in between. Sideburn, bakkebaard. Sideburns, bakkebaarden. Tooth, tan. Teeth, tanden. Gum or gums, both we use with tandvlees. Tan is from tooth, vlees is meat, so it's meat, tooth, tooth, meat. Meat for your tooth, meat surrounding tooth, teeth. Tandvlees, there's no space in between. It becomes one word. Baard, beard. Tong, tongue, tong, tongue. Earlobe, oorlel. Earlobes, oorlellen. Earwax or smear. Sometimes in English also we find it was two words and now become one word, but most in Netherlands or mostly in one word, or this one also. Or smear. Smear is giving layer. How to say it? If you have shoes, you polish it again. If like you have leather shoes and you put another layer to make it to another layer of the color or oil. In Dutch we say it with smear. Or if we have bread and we have butter, we put the layer of butter on bread. We say it also with smear, so it means put layers on. So with this one, earwax is or smear. It's like you have ear, is a layer. That was maybe it was from like your ear doing some layer on earwax or smear. Booger, I kind of try to find that word for booger, but it seems like we use the same one with the snot or nasal mucus, even though it's kind of not used in when we're like grown up or adult in formal situation, occasion. We kind of rarely say about we rarely say snot or nasal mucus, but yeah, sometimes we say like sorry or excuse me, you should wipe your nose or something like that. But for little kids, for children or so, or sometimes with family member that we're close with, or for those occasions, those cases, Yeah, sometimes we also say it. In English, booger. In Dutch, snot. Because we already learned about this one, now we will say snot or nasal mucus. In Dutch is also snot or neus slime. It was two words, but now it becomes one word. Neus slime. The slime is like English slime, but we write it like this. Slime. Nose slime. In English, in Dutch, neus slime. So, snot can be or nasal mucus, but can also booger. I was thinking of using like drogen or droog snot, but it's kinda, yeah, they said they use same word for both booger and snot. They use snot or use slime. When you have fever, we say it with koorts, flu, griep, fever, koorts, cough, hoest, sneeze, sneeze. So you just eliminate the S. In English is sneeze. In Dutch, sneeze. Sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. Yawn, geel, 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 geel. Yawn. In English we have cat hair. In Dutch we say it with kattenhaar. Even though it's cat, not cats, but we say it with katten in plural format or form. And here we have space. In Dutch you don't have it, you just put it together, one word. Dog hair, hondenhaar. Same, dog one or singular, but in Dutch it becomes plural, honden, dogs. Hondenhaar. Of course, haar, same like this one. You don't have to put haren, even if you find like lots of or more than one. For this one, you put kattenhaar, hondenhaar. Animal hair. In this case, we put it into words. We have space here. Dierlijk, dierlijk. Dierlijk, dierlijk. Haar, hair. Sometimes with this you read it as like, but sometimes with look. With this one is more into look, dierlijk. It's not deer like, dierlijk. Haar, hair. Deer is animal. Look is kinda, I don't know, it's kinda like a like, look. You can find it out what is the look or like. Kinda like look or like. But in this case, of course, it's not like or look. It's hair from animal hair. Dierlijk And we have fur or furs. We use two words for this. We have bont and we have vacht or vachten. For vacht or vachten, you can use the singular and plural. We can see here, if you want to say it fur, you say it with vacht. If you want to make it furs, vachten. For fur or furs. But sometimes we use also bont. This bont is when we have to say let's say a cape, a coat made from fur. We say it with bont and then coat. It becomes it attach. That's why I put stripe here. Even though you can just use bont to say fur. That's good enough. Bont also means fur or furs, so it can be singular or plural. Bont, but you can put it together with other word, which is like, for example, bont jas. It means coat made from fur, from animal hair. Can be real one, can be fake one or so, I think, because nowadays it's kind of like we don't use real animal, right? I don't know. Yeah, that's why I put stripe here. But this stripe can be skipped also if you don't need to attach it with like coat or so. And feather is veer. Feathers, veren. Veer, feather, feathers, veren. Last one here, and then we go here. We have thread, draad. I don't put in plural because we just have word for singular one. Draad, thread. And for fiber, vessel, fibers, vessels, 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 v. And yeah, sometimes I can am more into F. It should be really bold. V. If you really have to make it as plural one, draad, you can, but you have to make it into small or tiny one, which we have to put the y. Tiny or small or little thread is draadje, 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 draadje. Tiny or small or little threads, so it's more than one. It can be plural because now it's with the you, but this one also it's just singular. Draadjes, draadjes. Yeah. Thank you.